Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open a keyboard, here we've got, and we have to find the settings. Let's click here, and on the very first position we've got languages, so click on that. As you can see here, we've got only English applied, so simply add keyboard. And here we've got the list of suggested languages and list of all languages which are available in this device. So there are many of them. Let's get back and let me choose something. For example, maybe Arabic. Let's choose Arabic. Click on done. And as you can see, we've just added Arabic to our languages. Let's get back. And here, by tapping on this world icon, we can change our keyboard to Arabic. As you can see now, I'm typing Arabic. If you want to delete it, simply click on the settings, go to the languages, and click on this edit icon. You can either delete Arabic or English if you want. Let me pick Arabic and simply delete it. Let's get back. And as you can see, there is no longer this world icon, so we cannot switch through languages, and we've got only English left. So that's all. This is how you change keyboard language in your REALME X3 SuperZoom, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.